Good morning folks, I'm back to the vlog. Today is now Wednesday morning. We haven't seen the last vlog from yesterday and Monday. Video is uploading now. Should be in the previous videos time you're watching this. Time is now just after 9:30. My dog wants in, typical dog. So yeah, so plans for today are about to go get the bus. As you can see, I got my coat on. And then getting the 9:50 bus. Should be in Belfast for about 10:15. Go to work, get lunch about 12:30, 1:45. And then walk to about 25 past 2:30. And then go into the cinema to see Moana 2. And then come home, probably be home for about, I don't even know what time I'll be home at. Then going to the gym from about 6:30 to 8. Come home, get my dinner, watch I'm a Celebrity, and in this vlog from today. So pretty busy day today, folks. Busy day. So it's Wednesday, midway already. So yeah, it's a cloudy old day outside. Hopefully the sun will come out at some point today. So check in my views on the way down to the bus stop. Then we'll show you some travel footage on the bus. So let's get this Wednesday vlog started. And before I go, my dog is sleeping over as usual. So yeah. So let's get this vlog started.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Let's go in this vlog from today now. If you like this vlog from today, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Time is now just after 10:30 in the evening. Going to bed now. So plans for tomorrow are tag, then come home, get dinner, and this vlog from tomorrow. So up at 7 a.m. in the morning, so start this vlog bright and early in the morning. So till tomorrow, bright and early. Thanks for watching. Good morning folks, welcome back to the vlog. Today is now Thursday morning. I've rather seen the last vlog from yesterday. Very well being the previous video shortly. Plans for today are going to college, come home, go to the gym, not going to a bike class tonight, get dinner, wash on my slably, and end this vlog from today. So time is now just after 20 past 8 in the morning. So we'll check in reviews when we're leaving. Probably be leaving in about 10 minutes or so. So check in with you soon. So one more day to the weekend. Happy days. Let's get this Thursday vlog started. I am now in the car. You just saw a wee pigeon and it just fly away. There's two over the other side. There's sniffing for food. So yeah, there's about two out this morning. So yeah, so I'm about 2 minutes from the tag. So should be up in tag for the bed in the next 2 minutes or so. So I would probably check in if he's half attack. You see me driving up to the tag, then you see me driving home, then you see me driving to the gym. Probably go to the gym for about 6 because I have to do 30 burpees today. So that's gonna be fun. And yeah. So I will check in reviews when you see me traveling up to the tech. Then I will check in reviews after tech. So I will check in reviews in. And it's like a cloudy morning outside. Hope the sun does come out. And before I go, there's like a wind warning in effect from 3 p.m. till 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So 3 p.m. to 6 a.m. tomorrow. Gotta go, there's my dad. So check in reviews for college. That's going to end this vlog from today now. Time is Saturday, just after 12:30 at night. So plans for tomorrow are college. Had to get up at 7 a.m. So I definitely need to get to sleep. So yeah. So now I'm going to the Christmas market. Won't be getting any foodies from the Christmas market because those already a vlog from the Christmas market. But I might show you inside the city hall if we do go inside. But if not, there'll be no foodies from the market. then come home, go into the gym, get dinner, and that's all from today. So yeah, so tomorrow's Friday, last day of the week, it's the weekend, happy days, delighted it's Friday. So I'll be off for 3 whole days, not back to tech until Tuesday after tomorrow. So till tomorrow, bye nighty, thanks for watching.